morning, Namaskar. I'm Santosh Subedi. I'm making this video based on the understanding of academic publishing genres. Okay, it is under the course of academic writing of our second semester of MPhil in Nepal Open University. I'm Santosh Subedi. Okay, here I am going to talk about some genres of academic publication. So that let's go through the slide first. The academic publishing represents one of the most significant aspects of the work of faculty members as well as graduate students. One's success in academic publishing fundamentally determines one's success in higher education. Publishing is vital for getting faculty positions and crucial in the tenure decisions. Unlike other aspects of faculty work such as a teacher, and then here in this presentation I have tried to cover the most common academic publication genres as the journal articles, book review, review essay, conference presentation, book chapter, conference processing, edited collections, monograph and proposals, blogs, podcast, grants, bibliographic entries. So I'd like to go first with the journal articles in brief. It's shorter than books and written about very specific topic. A journal is a collection of articles like a magazine that is published regularly throughout the year. Journal articles are experts' views. Journal presents the most recent research. Most recent research works are presented in journal articles. Okay, the next one is a book review. A book review is a form of literary criticism in which merely described or analyzed based on concept, style, and merit of the book. It may be a primary source, opinion piece, summary review, or scholarly review. Then another one academic publishing genres is a review essay. It is an essay. It is an essay writing assignment that should give a critical, well-argumentative evaluation of the fact or the event. It evaluates the essay writer's feelings on the most significant points raised by the author of piece of literature. It is a critical discussion of the book while the opinions of the writer are supported by evidence. The next one is conference presentations. Presenting at a conference is core part of scientific communications for any researcher or academics. The common types of conference presentations are full paper. Its length varies on different types. And the first one is full paper. It's about 20 to 40 minutes. It takes 20 to 40 minutes. Short paper. It takes about 10 minutes. Workshop, poster, discussions are another types of conference presentation. The book chapter is another academic publication genre. As it is a chapter inside of a larger volume. Typically, each chapter is written by a different group of authors. Edited book chapters are part of collections gathered and reviewed by an editor around a specific topic. Referred book chapters appear in handbooks, that is to say, research handbooks. The conference proceeding. This publication type is a collection of papers presented at a professional association meeting, symposia, or similar gathering. Most common in science and engineering. The conference proceedings is commonly used in the science and engineering field. Edited collections. These are collections of chapters of a similar subject from different authors compiled by an editor. These are evaluated based on the quality of the praise, quality of the chapters, and the stature of the contributing authors. Monographs. are long form publication examine the scholarly topics. They are especially examining scholarly topics. The necessity vary dramatically by discipline. A detailed and documented treatise on a particular subject, blogs and other forms of online writing are considered non-peer reviewed publications and are valued less in the tenure process. uh, I'm in the last of my video. I really request respected Guru Sravaki Raj Kaflisar and my dear friends to provide me some constructive suggestions. Here I have described the broad categories to understand what are the types of academic publications. There are many smaller variations of these and complicating factors such as open access and self-publishing. Understanding the role of these requires contextual knowledge of the department, institution, and discipline. Ultimately, these categories should provide a starting place to think about academic publishing and how different outlets influences the evaluation of a tenure case. Thank you. Thank you this much for today.